there. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto potato salad. That's right, keto potato salad. And the reason it's keto is because it's not made with potatoes, it's made with cauliflower, believe it or not. And it tastes just like potato salad. You cannot taste the difference. The cauliflower that I have here is organic and it's just one head of cauliflower. And I cooked it al dente, so you don't want it to be mushy. It has to have a crisp. After that, you just want to chop it up. I find it's easier to chop it up after it's been cooked than before. And I cooked mine with a little bit of cauliflower pollo. Just out of habit, I cooked all of my vegetables with a little bit of this in the water. It flavors the cauliflower. Into this, I would typically put 4 to 6 hard-boiled eggs. I was at Trader Joe's today and knew I needed to pick up eggs, but I thought, why in the world should I get the eggs, boil them, peel them, cut them, chop them, put them in here, when they have this egg salad. It is eggs with mayo and a little bit of vinegar and all the things that I'm gonna put in here. So it's just a nice shortcut. I'm not sure how many eggs are in this, but I'm just eyeballing it, and I think I need another one. Now this is of course gonna make me cut back on my mayo and my mustard and my vinegar that I'm gonna put in here. But what a great shortcut, right? I hate peeling hard-boiled eggs. And I know you can get them peeled, but they're never organic. And this is free range, but not organic. Gotta love Trader Joe's. So you just mix this up so you can see what the consistency is, see what we're gonna need more of. Alternately, you would hard boil 6 eggs, chop them up and put them in here. And you would put more mayo and more vinegar and more Dijon mustard than I'm gonna recommend because this egg salad already had it in there. It is coconut vinegar. It's supposed to be even healthier than apple cider vinegar. So I'm just gonna put just a few little shakes in there. And I'm going to put my Dijon mustard, a half a tablespoon. If you're using the eggs, you're gonna wanna put a whole tablespoon. And you're gonna wanna put 2 tablespoons of this vinegar. And if you're using the eggs instead of the egg salad, you're gonna wanna put a 1/3 cup of mayo. I'm gonna put a 1/4 cup. Mix this in just to make sure I got the right consistency. I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic powder. Not much, just a little bit. Bit of paprika. Some chives. You could use green onions, you can use red onions, you can even put bell pepper in here if you want. I don't like the raw onion taste. Even the chives are kind of strong for me, but I think it makes it pretty and my husband likes it, so I'll put them in there. This is something you can just have in the fridge and just snack on all day, and it hardly has any carbs. And it's so easy. It's like 5 minutes to put this together. And it's using things that you already probably have. Put quite a bit of chives in there. And now for some parsley, just to freshen it up. Alternatively, you could use dill. I really like dill in here, but I didn't buy any today, I forgot. So I'll just chop off some of these heads of parsley. Stir it around. And this is the type of recipe that tastes better after you let it set up in the refrigerator for a little while. My cauliflower is still a little bit warm. I'm not really gonna be able to tell how it tastes. Crushed black pepper. Before I put the salt in, I'm gonna taste it. Good, but it definitely needs salt. course, kosher salt is what I use. And what really takes this over the edge is to crumble some cooked bacon in here and some cheddar cheese. I don't have any bacon, but I have cheddar cheese. I'll put that in here. I probably should come to you with recipes where I have everything in the refrigerator. But I don't know about you, but I never have everything. Even if I have a recipe that I want to do and I go to the store, I always forget something. So that's why I'm just showing you the way I cook and how I improvise. Because I think we all need shows like that where there isn't everything perfectly there. It's like, oh, I didn't have dill, I used parsley. Didn't want to deal with the eggs, so I used the ones that were already made in egg salad. Don't have the bacon, but I have the cheddar cheese. A couple handfuls of cheddar cheese. And this is the cheese I always talk about. It's made cows in New Zealand that are treated humanely, and it's all organic. They're pasture raised, and it comes in blocks, and I come home and I shred it in the food processor. I go through all that because it's the best tasting cheese. It's sharp cheddar and it's white colored. Another taste. That cheddar cheese really helped. I think it still needs more salt though. Thinking about putting bacon in. If I put bacon in, then probably won't want more salt. What to do? So I'll put this in a Tupperware and I'll put it in the refrigerator and it'll set up and all the flavors will go in together and it'll taste good. You cannot tell the difference between this and potato salad. I'm serious. Hope you enjoyed your tip for today. Thanks for watching.